What do you got there?
I got the my cowgirl cauldron.
Cowgirl? Wait a minute, no. Cowboy cauldron. All right, so patio start on Monday. So obviously we've got our crushed stone bed that I've been talking about. We're a little too excited to wait for the patios to go in because it is a spring day. It's gonna be nice tonight and we wanna have a fire pit. Plus the fact it's Easter weekend. My parents are coming up. So we're gonna put that together and then we're gonna take it apart. Because the cool thing is, with this model of the Cowboy cauldron, it's meant to come apart really easily, be able to throw it in the back of your car, take it with you, going to the beach, going to a barbecue somewhere. I'm very, very excited to get this built.
With the help of your partner.
With the help of my partner. And that's it. That was 5 minutes flat. So all you're doing is screwing in these two rods together, and this is what makes it super transportable. You have no tools at all for this assembly, 0 tools. This is all pressure fit, and the weight of everything and the wide base is what keeps it all together. So we just have a big grate that goes in the bottom because why? We need oxygen under our fire so that it's a nice, oh, they're bringing stone in. We need oxygen under our fire so that we can have a nice hot fire and we get air circulating around it. The Cowboy cauldron is set up and ready to go. We are so pumped. We're gonna shower up because it's been a hell of a day. Grab some beers and we will meet you right back here. We're up and running, Ross, man. We're up and running. Just missing one thing. 2 things. Well, you're on your way.
Yeah.
That was the thing. Oh, this thing is freaking awesome.